with you, and I'm here for an unboxing with a new company called Globleland, and I will be putting in the description box below the link to all the wonderful products, and I'm sure you're gonna totally adore them because I know how much you love making some cards, and they have some really cool items for a very affordable price, and I think you're gonna agree with me on this. So when they approached me, I checked out their products and I just fell in love with it. So there's this set here is a set of all kinds of different stamps for all sorts of occasions, and I just thought they were so cute, and it comes like all these come in a set. So like you can't beat this. Like the prices are amazing for all of these together. And so let me show them to you. And I'm sure you're gonna really love them. So this one is a winter one, so it's a Christmas one. And this will be better for you guys. So you can see how cool is that. Then you have another Christmas one. I chose this one especially because there was a lot of Christmas, and I know how much you guys love Christmas as much as I do. So all kinds of snowflakes. No. Just want to make sure that I've got all the Christmas ones first before I go and show you other ones. So there's 3 Christmas. Check out the cute little penguins. So adorable. And then there's this here, which is a little fairy. Totally adorable. We're going to be making some cards with these, but you could also use them for other things than cards. Obviously you could use them for tags, you can use them for all kinds of little things. I think I might use a little fairy for either ATC or journaling out of the box. That would be fun. Little cute little cups. Then there's this here, which if you like writing letters, it's really fun to put for your letters. Just check that out. Like the little snail mail. I just thought it was adorable, and it would be really fun to put on a card, like extra special delivery. And then you've got the made with love. I just thought it's so cute. There's that. Then there's this one here, which is more vintage look. So different vintage items. You could make some stickers that we could use for letters and stuff like that. And then you've got this one, which is masquerade ball. And then this one, which is for Thanksgiving. And I don't find a lot of things. I haven't seen a lot of Thanksgiving stamps, so I think that's really fun. But it could obviously be used for other stuff, not just for Thanksgiving. You know, for just fall in general with the little mushrooms and things. It's really fun, really cute. And then there's this here, which is so great. This one here is all cutting dies, but it's dies with big letters, like big sentiments. So you've got, it's happy birthdays, but in all sorts of ways. They're written all kinds of different ways. So I thought that would be fun to use. Because sometimes you want to have something, some ways of having different ways of saying happy birthday. So how fun to use dies like this to do it. I just thought that'd be really, really fun. And then the last, but not the least, is this here, which is, I thought was so elegant. So this one is a hello, but it's a little scene that you can put together, which I thought is really great. So you've got the little lamp, street lamp, and then you got the little bench and the little tree, and then you've got the hello. But I thought there's so many ways that you could use this. I thought like you could, this would be a very elegant sympathy card. I would probably remove the little birdhouse and just leave this, and maybe put the little bench behind the little flowers. I just thought it's really, really elegant. And of course it comes apart, so you can kind of layer, you can do many layers on this, which I thought was really great. So I'm looking forward to using all these goodies. You will see me make some cards, but I think I will also be using them to do other things. As you know, I love making, I'm gonna reuse all these baggies, by the way, in case you're wondering. All these baggies I reuse for my store, my Etsy store. Anything that I use in bags, I reuse the bags. I don't like wasting plastic. So I think it would be fun to make some that I could use as little stamps, the little stickers for my cards. So maybe we'll do that. I think it would be really fun to use the little fairy or the little cup as let's see, this one could also be used for Christmas, because there's so much fun. There's a little she has a little hat here. She's got a little hat, but she's got a flower in her hand. So but there's little snowflakes, and it says happy holiday, and have a Merry Christmas. So super adorable. So I hope that you've liked seeing these, and that you will be looking forward to seeing make some cards and other items with them. And I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to go and check out in the description box below the links to everything that you see here. So love you guys. Bye.